so welcome back. So what we're doing today is I found an old truck. We're gonna run and take a look at. I got my trailer hooked up. We're in the old Chevy here, and yeah, so we're gonna buzz to take a look at this. Let's look at this old truck. I'll explain. Oh, we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure. It depends on what it looks like. But anyways, and then I'll explain to you what the interest is with this old truck later. So, anyways, let's get going.
Tailgate's just over my mom's place.
Oh, okay, I got you. Does it have an engine in it?
No, the motor's out.
Oh, it's out. Okay.
But I have the whole motor with the full rebuild kit.
Oh, I see. I got you. Has that kind of a nasty dent in the roof there. Probably a tree fell under there too, right?
Yeah, it's too bad we left it out at the acreage too long.
Right.
It ruined my 40 Ford tree.
Is that right?
I got a 40 Ford pickup and just crushed the cab.
Gotcha. Yeah, well, that's a pity for sure.
Yeah. Which is pretty heavy iron, these things.
Yeah, oh yeah. It was a big tree, I bet. Yeah. Yeah, it was a big tree for sure, I bet you. All right. Yeah, shoot, you say it just won't.
Yeah.
Open. Okay, well, I'll try. Did the passenger open the door?
No, I tried. It moves, but I think
Sorry.
the latch.
Gotcha. I just opened I see.
The latch, I think, is stuck or something. I don't know. What do you restore trucks?
Yeah, kinda. Yeah, a few trucks. A few trucks for sure I have, yeah. Yeah, you betcha. But I've always liked them, right? So then what happened was this summer, or was it? No, it was last summer. With some friends of ours, they had an uncle die. So then, but he's kind of I guess you could call it a bit of a hoarder. So he had a bunch of stuff. So they invited us to come and they were trying to just clean up. So they were selling anything and everything. And it had an old Studebaker exactly like this. But it was, and then I had, well, like, oh, that's what I'll do. This is what I'll do to it, blah, blah. But, and then it is rotten, like real rotten. So, so then I just let it go. I put it in my yard as yard art, out by, with a little wind, whatever. So I'm happy with it. But yeah, it was a little disappointing because I kind of like, oh, I should do something. Hey, and then it was just so rotten. Like the dash and everything was just rotten.
Oh.
The whole, that's what I was hoping to see. Like, it looks pretty good. You could tell from underneath too, but the steps were gone out of it, right? Like, you know how it's got that step in there? Yeah. They were rotted out. It was just bad, yeah. Yeah. The only concern with this one really, like, the bottom of the door's gone a little bit. Not terrible. The cab itself seems real good. But these, yeah, just a little bit there. It's nothing real serious. It's this. I'm just curious how that would push out. I think you could push it out.
Pretty heavy metal.
Yeah. Oh, I should look at that other side. Maybe I can see up there. It's on that seam a bit, so it probably might push real nice and straight. Oh, yeah. Yeah. that other side have that a little bit?
I never noticed.
Have you had this old truck a while, or?
Oh, with my dad,
Oh, is that right? Okay. Yeah. Gotcha.
but he passed a few years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got lots of cars for sale.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, lots.
Like old stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's another one of these at the acreage, but the guy that had it, he welded all kinds of back panels, pretty much. So,
Oh, okay. That's too bad, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's too bad.
So yeah, a little bit. You had mentioned.
Oh, yeah. Just
Yeah,
a little
yeah,
bit, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, nothing too major.
And what year is this one?
49.
I never did really figure out which that old one I had was, or have, I guess, but it looks identical, so it's got to be. They didn't change them much, or
No, they didn't change it
it's
much.
the same, right? So, yeah, you bet.
It's not bolted down.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Motor out and stuff.
Yeah. No worries.
Blank canvas.
Yeah.
What were you thinking? Original or hot rod?
I think kind of hot rodded, yeah.
Oh, mix.
I kind of like hot rods, right? So, yeah, I was kind of thinking hot rod. Which then you're not as concerned about the stuff as much, right?
Yeah.
Well, the important parts sure are good. Like I said, the cab and stuff, that's pretty nice.
For how old it is.
Yeah, I know for sure.
Right?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, you betcha. Well, I sure like to make you an offer on it if you don't mind. I don't want to. Yeah.
Why don't you let me try
I
it?
just need something to stand.
Oh my gosh. You getting it?
Bingo. It's a dummy. I was gonna put it neutral, but it got no engine. Doesn't matter. Okay. All right, we'll just wait.
Now
for
you
them
can
to-
steer it. Oh, you're getting a tobacco can.
Yeah. Well, I'll see if he wants any. Like some genuine, original, old studded bias plies. Snow. Snow.
Snow tires. Oh, and a track, snowmobile track.
Doesn't look like it's full of mice too, which is a bonus.
Well,
No, really, like there's no seat, right? So, well, probably a little bit, maybe something, but yeah. Well, look at Patina to it. All right. for a bit. Slow down. Slow. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Perfect.
You've done that a few times.
Yeah. A little system, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Anyways, appreciate it.
I'm gonna send you some pictures of the other stuff.
Yeah, that'd be
And then
great.
just send us your link and keep in contact, and if you're interested in anything.
Absolutely. Yeah.
It's nice to meet all of you.
All right,
Yeah.
nice meeting you guys.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see you.
All right. So we got it loaded up. What it is a 49 Studebaker. That was Blaine. Blaine sold us the truck, but his brother Rick and Jen was there too. We got her loaded up. We'll head home. I think it's a really solid truck. We're peeling out now, but it's a real solid truck. I got plans for it. I'll discuss that when we get home. Okay, I'll check my chines. And then you can tell me before.
Okay, you need to get out of my shot.
No.
Thank you.
All right, so we made it home. No big issues. It was only about an hour and a bit away, hour and a half away. So we were able to make a deal. This truck is actually really quite solid, and I'll explain why I was interested in it. The only issues we had was this strap came loose. Didn't lose the hood because the hinges aren't done up. This truck, the engine is pulled out of it. So, but so I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I have some yard art, so you can see over there. So basically, that's the exact same truck. Some friends of ours, they unfortunately had an uncle that died, and so he had lots of he had acquired a lot of stuff over the years. So they invited us to come, and they were trying to get rid of everything. So we were able to get that truck for real cheap. Big plans. So basically I want to build a gasser. I want to build a real tough gasser and do a little bit of just a little bit of fun drag racing. So that was the plan with that truck, but turns out it's extremely bad condition. The steps where the doors go are rotted right out. The dash is even rotted out. It's awesome for what it is, a decoration in my yard. So happy to have it. Just the thought of it never left my mind. So, and I happened upon this old Studebaker. It's a 49, and it's actually really quite solid. It's got a couple little issues, like I think one of the fenders got a crack in it, and the cab is solid as heck. The door's got just a little bit of stuff there. No big deal. Really happy. I see the fender's got a crack, but really happy with it. It's got a dent in the roof. Tree fell on it or something, so I'll have to push that out. But basically, the most important thing is the cab. So like I said, I'm really happy with it. So that's what I'm going to do with this old truck. I'm going to build a real tough gasser drag race truck with it. So pretty excited to get to work on that. All right, hey, so we're back out in the garage here, taking a little break from working on these cars. I grabbed this old Studebaker, and got big plans for it. Something I'm pretty excited about. So like I said, I couldn't really help myself. I just wanted to check it out and see what I'm working with. I'm pretty excited to do something with this. So let's take a quick look at it. I want to clean it out. So here's the old truck we picked up. We showed you guys picking it up here, but it's actually pretty good shape. I don't think there's a ton that needs to be done. It did have a tree fall on it, so we'll push that out, but it's got great patina. It's got the old Studebaker. It's got a different look, right? Pretty excited about what we're going to do with this. This old truck didn't come with an engine. Kind of a bonus in a way, because now we can just do what we want to do, right? You can see a couple little dings, back fenders banged up a little bit, but all in all, I think it's going to be pretty cool, pretty fun to do something with it. I did start cleaning out some of the stuff. It just had a bunch of junk in it. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Just this one door, this passenger door here doesn't open for some reason, and the window's smashed out. You can see the glass and stuff in there. So, but I'll figure out why that don't open in, and the other door opens. So we'll open that door. The hood isn't mounted in the back. The hinges aren't mounted, so I'll lube up the hinges, get this thing moving around good. But like I said, not terrible. I'm looking forward to fixing this thing up. See what I can do with it. It'll hope you guys follow along. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be tough for sure. So I went and ahead and got this old truck here. Went ahead and got this old truck kind of cleaned up. See what I'm working with. Get kind of the grossness out of it. But so yeah, so this door handle's bent or something, but door works. Got it kind of cleaned up. Just some pieces. I took the door panels off so I could lube up the hinges. But got the door working. I'll straighten the handle out one day. It's the tailgate, kind of a neat old tailgate. It's got the license plate, 1973. So that's probably the last time this old truck was ever on the road. The other thing I noticed, every time I'm working on old trucks and stuff, there's always something I end up finding that I've never seen before. So you can see here, like the wrap to make it quiet, it's like a piece of belting. Notice that on the other side there too. Just something they did to, nowadays they got rubber, they got whatever they got, right? But kind of neat. Doors working. Glove box, I cleaned it out. Found the key on the floor, the ignition key. Very excited about that. But yeah, got big plans for this truck. Like I said, I've had plans for a truck like this ever since I mentioned it already, but ever since that old Studebaker crossover there, that's my yard art now, but that one was real rough. It ended up being real rough, but I had plans in my mind for something. Got old Ruby here. Hey, Rubes. Got a little Ruby. Anyways, yeah, so I came across this one. Pretty excited to do something with it. So, and watch for it in the future, because I'll definitely have. I got a couple other projects on the go. If you guys are subscribers and watchers, you'll see I got the old Pontiac and the old Alfa Romeo on the go, and I do have that old cab over I do need to get to work on as well. But this truck will be coming up soon, because I'm really excited about getting it done, doing something with it. So if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.